I was so scared of improv before I took it here at the Acting Center. It terrified me, and I have always veered towards comedy, so that's the reason I took it in the first place, is that I wanted to do comedy stuff, so I thought improv was like the way to go. I've taken improv class a couple different places, and I've taken improv class here at the Acting Center twice. And the difference between taking it here at the Acting Center is that it is very clear. Like, you don't have a question about what the exercise is that you're doing. You don't have a question about what you're going for. At some of the other places, it gets a little jumbled. They kind of ask you to think of a few different things, and then you're kind of confused, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. But here at the Acting Center, it's very clear, and you feel like you're making steps towards progress, and you feel like you're getting better at improv. You feel more solid here.